Hello and welcome to the Lost Pines Workshop. I'm JC Jensen. So today I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about creating patterns or templates that may help you um, to make whatever your project is, whether you're making one or you're making multiples of the same thing. If you want your multiples to be identical, creating a pattern or a template is going to be beneficial to you. In my case, I am preparing to produce or to make two rocking chairs, one from cherry and one from walnut, but I want them to be identical. They're both going to be the same size. They're going to be identical chairs, just different material. So what I have done is gone and created templates, paper templates, full size, right? And I drew them out like so on full-size paper with the shape that I need this piece to be, as well as this one. And I then glued them. I took some scrap material. Here's a piece of maple. It was a cutoff from a previous project. And so I've drawn all my patterns here, and I glued them to this piece. So now I'm simply going to take it over to the bandsaw, rough cut them out, really close to the line, like so. And then I'm going to go back and shape these by hand. I'm going to sand them and smooth them out so that they are perfect. All right. This is going to help me because my rocking chairs are going to be made from 8-quarter thick stock material. And I'm going to use these pieces for my layout. And then as I'm shaping each piece, I'm going to be able to utilize these templates to ensure that I have the shape that I want in the specific location that it needs to be. So I'm going to do that for all of these, and I'm doing it for almost every component of the chair, almost every. There are some I won't need them, but this by creating a full-size drawing, and from the drawing creating your pattern, a paper pattern or template. If you want to go straight to your material from your pattern, your paper pattern, sure, go for it. But if you intend to make it again, make it out of something a little more durable that you can utilize a second time, or maybe you're gonna make a dozen of the same thing. You've got a pattern to follow so that they all come out the same. Right on. I hope that helps. Hey, we'll see you down the road.